Hey, I'm back. What's going on, YouTube? This Kania's Car Channel. What I got going on, I got a 1990 LS Chevy Broham quarter top. What I'm doing right now, I'm putting new bumper fillers on the front and back, taking the seats out, putting new seats in, getting the top ordered, debating if I want to go vinyl or cloth, and putting the system in it as well. So all this inside the garage. Giving y'all a little video. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to the Kania's Car Channel. We'll be giving you content. I ain't been on here in a little minute, so you gotta excuse the garage, just look rough. So what I did, I took the front bumper filler off. It was all dry rotted and old, so I got a new one that I'm gonna replace. Took the lights out, cleaned everything up, get everything cleaned up. Then I'll probably put it on tomorrow. I'm just giving y'all a little walk around video on it. Got a 305 throttle body, fuel injection. That front dash look good. And this the new bumper filler for the front. Ordered it off of eBay. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I got brand new tires as well. So I'm gonna go. I was gonna keep it white walls. I want to give it like a racing look, so I'm gonna go with. I went with the white letters. Yep, brand spanking new. The top look rough, so take the top off. Thank God the shell still decent. Take the top off and debate if I want to go cloth or vinyl. Everybody got me going back, thinking about going back vinyl, because you can shine it up with the cloth. It's just, it look good because it's more of a modern look as well. The seat, taking all them seats out. I like the cloth. I like the cloth setup better, so I might go cloth. Comfortable. I don't like all that vinyl and leather and all that stuff. Get hot, even though got AC in here, so yeah. Yeah. Got two 12s going in there. Two SCAR 12s on a 2400 watt SCAR amp. Yeah, we getting along. My goal was to try to have her all done by Memorial Day, so that's what I'm pushing for. So yeah, we're getting it done. Put a battery in the trunk as well, so we running all new wires and so forth. Yeah, we getting it together. I had 10 on there. I took all that 10 off, so yeah. Yeah, we took all that 10 off. Got a raw fish bowl, baby. Yeah. Headliner look good, like brand new, which is a good thing. So, oh yeah, we got that new Pioneer. Got a wire up already. Got the wires ringing, so we doing one step by step at a time. Let's go, baby. I ain't worried about the paint job right now, because I can get away with it right now for the summer. I'll focus on that towards the winter time. Right now, she'd be all right. Yeah. Like I said, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to Kania's Car Channel. Giving y'all that content. This was a rough process, but I did plenty of them, so get her all cleaned up tomorrow. All right, that's a quick video I'm doing. I'll get back with y'all. Everybody enjoy their evening. Cornelius Car Channel signing out.